Good morning. This girl just fell out of bed, but we are so excited for today. We plan on going out in nature. I think Holland, to the beach, and then to some forest, and a lot of more things. We slept okay, despite the fact that this Airbnb is in the ghetto of Grand Rapids. Like, this just looks overall ghetto. Oh hey, you can see me. Yeah, this is the bed. It's pretty cute. I like the decor in here. This is me looking rough. Oh, let me open these. Oh, I can't open that one. But yeah, I'm gonna shower now. Okay. Good morning, we're up now and we're gonna be on our way to to a coffee shop before we head out to the... We're going to Holland State Park. Holland. It's really dark. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna go to Holland State Park and go to a beach or a forest near there. Just explore nature around here, so it's gonna be fun. Ooh! Can't even read that. Better End Coffee House. Just went to Better End Coffee Shop. I got myself a hazelnut latte with soy milk. Oh my gosh, I mean, this is the best latte I've ever had in my life. It's not sweet like other people make it. It actually tastes like real hazelnut, not like that fake stuff. I feel like this, yeah, the Starbucks one is just too fake, but anyways.
Yeah, I got myself a soy mocha.
It's so rich, chocolatey flavor. Red chocolate. Can I taste it?
Dude, yeah, that's really good. You're gonna like it a lot.
Wow.
Isn't that good?
Oh my gosh, this is literally... I'm really impressed.
The sun feels so good coming in through the window, touching my face. If you guys can imagine, it's cold, the air is cold, but the sun is so warm and I feel like I'm thawing back to life.
There and then head to the state park to walk it off. Almost to the edge of the trail, to the finish line, I should say, and just can't get over the colors. The colors are so beautiful. I just love breathing in this really cold air. How are you feeling back there?
Good. Getting warmed up?
Yeah, getting warmed up. Only
Did you catch that?
I think I did.
Oh gosh.
Come on, let's jog a little bit.
I don't fall.
Let's jog a little bit. We finally made it. We're just walking up this sand pathway. I think we're here. Oh my gosh, so much sand. Wow. Dang, that's so pretty. Wow. Whew. Oh my gosh, wow, that's gorgeous. This legit looks like the ocean because the lake is so big. You can't even see far ahead. I feel like I'm in the Pacific Ocean right now, you know? Really windy, but let's go down. This is actually a pretty steep dune, if you ask me. I mean, I don't come across dunes very often, but I'm pretty out of breath right now. Be careful, Oli. The parking lot's just ahead there, so I guess we missed it by a little bit, but at least there's this way down. Well, we just came back from Silver Lake State Park, I think. And bless you. It was so cold and it was really windy, but we just had so much fun, like taking photos and just taking silly ones. Yeah. And it was a good time.
It was a really good time. We got to see the lighthouse there too. I've never been that close to a lighthouse before.
Yeah. We ate sand, like I still feel sand in my teeth. I like grind it every so often. It's like the worst feeling ever when you have sand in your teeth. We're at Qdoba. She got a bowl, or we both got bowls. Yummy. It's so big. We just finished eating at Qdoba. We had a bowl. She says Qdoba, I say Qdoba. It's literally a Q and then Doba. It's not Qdoba. I say Qdoba. I think it's Qdoba. Anyways, that's not the point. I'm so tired, like she's so exhausted. Tired. My legs hurt.
She's checked out already.
And they're sore from Chicago still. Like we walked so much that my legs are still sore, and it's 2 days later. So, and then we walked more today in the sand uphill, like you guys saw. So I'm just dead. I'm drained. But the last stop for today is the Blue Bridge, right?
Oh, yeah,
in Grand Rapids.
I'm gonna put that on the GPS here.
Okay. So we're walking towards the Blue Bridge and the city. And she just got hit on. Oh my gosh. This dude was riding on the scooter, right? That they give you downtown. And then like he rode by already once, and then he came back around, and then she was like walking in front of me, and then he told her, "Hey, what's your name?" I'm like, oh my god, creepy.
It happens.
It happens. This is so pretty. We're home. Finally.
We're finally home.
Yeah, I'm so tired. Like, I'm just ready to knock out.
Yeah.
Any last words?
I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. We had a lot of fun. We went to 3 state parks today. Holland State Park, PJ
Housemaster.
State Park, and then we went to Silver Lake State Park as well, where the lighthouse was. So yeah, it was a lot of walking, a lot of wind, a lot of sun at the same time, which is kind of weird. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.
Yeah.
Bye.